How to check voicemail in Google Voice with transcripts. First of all, open the Google Voice app or go to voice.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Once signed in, tap or click the voicemail tab or icon in the menu to view all your voicemail messages. Here you will see a list of your voicemails with a transcript preview for each message. To listen to a voicemail, tap the play message button in the message. The transcript will show the converted text, making it easy to quickly read what the caller said. If you want to save or share a voicemail, you can use the options menu to download or forward the message. You can also delete voicemails you no longer need to keep your inbox organized. Google Voice automatically transcribes most voicemails, which is helpful when you cannot listen to audio right away or prefer reading messages. Now you know how to check voicemail in Google Voice with transcript. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.